This video will explain EDCSD's attendance and grading policies for the 2015-16 school year. Attendance is taken weekly based on students submitting at least one work submission in each class each week. This assignment can be any assignment from the course. It doesn't matter if the assignment was one that was assigned that current week or if it's an assignment that was due a previous week. It is important that the student submits at least one assignment in every class each week in order to be marked present in all courses. Our work weeks begin on Monday morning and end the following Sunday night. This allows students an entire week in order to submit at least one assignment in each course to be marked present. Once that week has concluded, on Tuesday, teachers will mark attendance in IC for the previous week. Teachers will look through activity logs and check to see that a student has submitted at least one assignment and will mark them present. If a student did not complete any assignments the previous week, the teacher will mark them absent. On Wednesday, a dialer will go out to parents that will alert them that their student was marked absent in a course the previous week. It is very important to keep track of attendance markings. Because we take attendance only once a week, each attendance mark counts as 5 missed days of school. If a student does not turn an assignment in a class, for instance, in Algebra 1, for an entire week, it will be as if that student missed every day, Monday through Friday, for Algebra 1 the previous week. In each course, students will find a pacing guide that gives them examples of what should be completed each week in order to finish the course on time. At the end of a week, if a student has not completed one of the assignments that was given, an M will be placed into Infinite Campus. This will affect the student's grade in a course. An M in Infinite Campus factors into a student's grade as if it were a 0. However, students can turn work in late. When a student has received an M in Infinite Campus, they still can turn in the assignment for full credit. Parents will receive a missing assignment report from IC each Friday afternoon telling them which assignments their student is currently missing in their course. Students have until the end of our regular weeks of work each quarter in order to complete their late or missing assignments for full credit. For instance, quarter 1 ends on October 8th. Students have until October 4th to turn in all assignments from the quarter, and then the week of October 5th through 8th, they will complete just their final exam, project, or test, whatever may be in that course. This will happen each quarter so that students have up until the previous week before finals to complete all assignments for full credit.